Hello, welcome back to another interesting edition of Digital Skills in High Demand. It's your girl Joy, and in this video we'll be talking about how you can become a professional digital marketer, the benefits of digital marketing, and how you can identify the best training school where you can learn digital marketing and become a professional. Digital marketing is all about connecting with your audience at the right time and place. The reality is we are in a digital age and technology is transforming the world, where digital marketing is one of the digital skills in high demand. As a digital marketer, you can create multiple streams of income. Digital marketing will help you get a high-paying job both here in Nigeria and abroad. With the knowledge of digital marketing, you as a business owner will be able to use it to attract high-paying customers and will also grow your business faster. You can also create your own brand online for a lot of platforms. With an increased demand for skilled digital marketers, there are plenty job opportunities for you when you become a professional digital marketer. With the right knowledge of digital marketing, you can work from the comfort of your home or even work as a freelancer. You might be wondering the best way you can learn this skill and be very good at it. Worry not, that's why I'm here. If you would want to learn digital marketing and be very good at it, you should look out for the following. 1. A training school that offers practical hands-on training, that is, more of practical and less of theories for better understanding. 2. A less crowded classroom, that is, a classroom that is void of noise. And the most important point you should look out for is a training school where a trainer will be assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. The fourth point and the last point is a training school that offers project-based learning. That is, you get to build a real-life project before you graduate as a way of testing your competency. Now, for the past 11 years, Bizmaro Technologies has been offering practical hands-on training for various ICT courses. When you get to register with us here at Bizmaro Technologies, our classes are not crowded. A trainer will be assigned to you for mentoring and coaching to better your understanding. And guess what? You get to build a real-life project before you graduate. So, if you want to become a professional digital marketer, why not visit our website to learn more and register today? You can also call or WhatsApp the numbers on your screen. Learn digital skills in high demand. Till I come your way again, I remain your girl, Joy.